Do you want to learn how to make the best coffee, the best Colombian coffee without a coffee maker? Please join me. Remember, the best coffee is the one that you like. We're going to use a French press, a water, a little bit like 350 ml of water. You can use a jug or a jar for put on it, and we are going to use the Café Quindío Organic. I will put 2 big spoons, that is like 10 grams. So we are going to put the water like this on circles. 1, 2, 3. You know, the best part is all the aromas, all the fragrance that coffee goes right here, right now. Wow. Then you put the envelope. We are going to wait 4 minutes. I bring my favorite cup. This is my favorite color, and I will enjoy it. So I invite you to grab your favorite cup and enjoy it with me. And enjoying the best Colombian coffee.